We understand that your first CNC purchase is a leap of faith. You discover the CNC you really want is just a little out of your price range. That's why Next Wave CNC developed our Shark SD100. It's the perfect starter CNC. Our competitively priced Shark SD100 comes fully assembled, featuring Vectrix V-Carve desktop software and our industry-leading 2-year warranty. You can always increase your creativity and upgrade the functionality of the SD100 with any of our amazing accessories, including the color touchscreen LCD pendant. When you have outgrown your SD100, you can Shark swap. As the SD100's original owner, you can purchase a Shark HD510 or HD520 and trade in the SD100 for a $500 refund. The Shark Swap rebate is available when purchasing your new HD510 or HD520 online or at any authorized retailer. After purchase, simply email sharkswap@nextwavecnc.com for complete instructions on returning your SD100. Next Wave CNC will refurbish your SD100 and through our partnership with the Mill National Training Center, donate it to a school in your name. Your Shark Swap allows Next Wave CNC to continue to support high school technical education and shop programs focused on training and technology. Shark Swap, only from Next Wave CNC. World class, made in USA.